Hi, my dear friends, welcome back. So, today I will be talking to you all about the paper 3, that is Quantitative Aptitude. So, this paper is not just about solving mathematical problems, it's about understanding and applying mathematical concepts to solve real world problems efficiently. So, how do you crack this paper? First, you carefully read each question to understand the problem statement and requirements. You pay attention to the additional information provided, to the numerical values, units, and all of that. Next, make proper use of the materials provided by the ICAI. And next, before attempting any question, analyze the problem and devise a systematic approach to solve it. I will just tell you the expected number of questions from each chapter, starting with mathematics. So, first is mathematics of finance. The expected questions is 14. Next, ratio, proportion, indices, and logarithms. Expected questions is 5. Equations, it's 5. AP and GP, it's 4. Sets, relations, and functions, it's 4. Linear inequalities, it's 1. And permutations and combinations, there are 4 questions. Applications of differential and integral calculus, there is 3. Next is logical reasoning. We have 4 chapters in this, that is direction test, seating arrangements, number series, coding, decoding, and odd man out, and blood relations. So from these 4 chapters, 5 questions per chapter is expected. Next is statistics. So here we have statistical description of data and sampling. So here expected number of questions is 20. Measures of central tendency and dispersion, and statistical description of data and sampling, together it's 20. Okay, I'm sorry. Correlation and regression, 5. Index numbers is for 5 marks again. Probability is 5 marks. Theoretical distributions is also 5 marks. So here we must try to break down the complex questions into smaller manageable steps. Use diagrams, tables, or equations to organize information and simplify calculations. So you always divide your study sessions into smaller segments, focusing on specific topics within quantitative aptitude. Concentrate on easy topics which you can attempt quickly. For example, logical reasoning, 20 marks, you can try solving all the chapters. And statistics, concentrate on the easiest chapters like statistical distribution of data, central tendency and measures of dispersion, correlation, regression, and index numbers. In business mathematics, focus on ratio, proportion, sets, functions, and relations. So prioritize topics based on their weightage in the exam and your proficiency level. Allocate more time to challenging topics while ensuring coverage of all the areas. Business mathematics, more weightage is on topics given to mathematics of finance, permutations and combinations, AP and GP. Statistics, it's probability and probability distributions. So always identify your weak areas. Regularly evaluate your performance and identify areas where you can face challenges or make mistakes. Seek additional help from teachers or mentors or online sources. And ICAI mentoring sessions and live virtual classes conducted by ICAI's Board of Studies, that's also really helpful. Then always master your mathematical formulae, memorize important formulas and theorems, understand when and how to apply them in different types of problems, and always manage your time. So allocate time for each question based on its complexity and marks allotted. Prioritize questions based on their weightage and your confidence level. Next, always use shortcut techniques for solving mathematical problems quickly and efficiently. Familiarize yourself with common formulas, tricks, and shortcuts to save time during the exams. Always, after solving your question, double check your calculations and ensure accuracy. Verify the answer against the given options or evaluate the solution if necessary. Be cautious of careless errors such as incorrect calculations, misinterpretation of data, or overlooking important details. Cross-check solutions using alternative methods. Always practice mock test papers. Analyze your performance in mock tests to identify areas for improvement and adjust your study strategy accordingly. Identify recurring patterns, mistakes, and misconceptions to address them effectively. Evaluate your performance objectively and set realistic goals for improvement. Use mock tests as an opportunity to refine your your exam strategy, manage time effectively, and build confidence for the actual exam. Quantitative aptitude, it is actually a critical component of the CA foundation. It requires a strong understanding of mathematical concepts, problem solving skills, and time management abilities. If you adopt a structured study approach, practicing regularly and implementing effective exam strategies, we can actually maximize the performance in this section and achieve success in the exam. It is essential to build a solid, conceptual foundation. We need to practice regularly and develop strategic problem solving skills to excel in quantitative aptitude. So, I wish you all of the best and thank you. Bye.